Hi, today I'm here with another example on insurance. So let's begin. Question is, I shall purchase a car for rupees 12 lakh 50,000 and insured it for 1 year at the rate of 4.5%. Find the annual premium. In other words, if you have to find annual amount that she has to pay for her insured car. So let's begin. In such questions, always remember that what is given in the question. Given, purchase a car for rupees 112 lakh 50,000. So principal amount is principal amount P equals to, that is 12 lakh 50,000. Alright. And insured it for 1 year. They have also given you a time period. Time period equals to T equals to 1 year. Alright. At the rate of 4.5%, they have also given you rate of insurance. Rate equals to R 4.5%. Alright. So find the annual premium. How much amount she has to pay. Annual premium we have to find out. So in such condition, always remember that they have time period is 1 year, rate is R 4.5%. So always solve the rate first. So solution, annual premium will be 4.5% of 12 lakh 50,000. Time duration is 1, so it's okay. Now, as you know, this is the 4.5. We have to remove this decimal first. So what will become 45 by 10 multiplied by percentage. We have to remove, as you know, 4.5% means 4.5 divided by 100. So you can say that 45 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 100. This is I'm just removing this percentage sign. Next is 50,000. 4 zeros. Now cancel off. 2 zeros cancel off, 1 0 cancel off. So 1250 multiplied by 45. What is the answer? Yes, you are right. Answer. Simple, very easy question. Zafar got a life insurance policy of rupees 2 lakh. For 5 zeros means 2 lakh. Find the first premium he has to pay when the rate of annual premium is 5.2%. And policy fee is also given 0.25%. So we have to find the first premium. Remember, it's a golden tip. Whenever such questions, they have given you 2 percentages, then you have to find these percentages, and by adding or subtracting, you get the first premium. So let's begin. First find out what they have given to you. Life insurance amount. Insurance amount equals to 5 zeros, I mean 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I remember like that. 5 zeros means 2 lakh. So it's very simple tip. You can also do like that. So insurance amount is 2 lakh. Alright. Now, rate of annual premium. Rate of annual premium. What is it? 5.2%. 5.2%. Always remember that this premium must be of original amount of 2 lakh. 450. Alright. Now solve it. 5.2 over 100, as I am removing this percentage, multiply by 2 lakh. But they have also given you decimal. So we also have to remove this decimal. So you can say that 552 over 10 multiply by 1 by 100 multiply by 2 lakh. Alright, now solve it. I think you can do it by yourself. 2 zeros cancel off, 1 0 cancel off. 200 multiplied by 52. What is the answer? Yes, you are right. 110,400, 10,400 rupees. This is rate of annual premium. Now next is policy fee. Policy fee is also given, that is 0.25% of actual amount, and insurance amount, 2 lakhs. Alright, now solve it. As you know, we are removing the percentage sign, so it becomes 25 over 100 as of 2 lakh 450 2 point. Now actually this I'm just removing, this is 0.25. Right now I'm just removing the percentage sign. Now in next step, for my convenience, I am removing this decimal also. It becomes 100 into 1 by 100 multiplied by 5 zeros, I mean 2 lakhs. Understood? First I have removed this percentage sign divided by 100. In next step I am removing this decimal sign, so it becomes divided by 100 multiplied by 1 by 100 multiplied by 2 lakh. Now solve it. 2 zeros cancel out, 2 zeros cancel out. What is that? 20 multiplied by 25. What is the answer? Yes, do it. You are right. 500 rupees. All right. Now we have rate of annual premium. We have policy fee rate. So by adding both of it, we can easily get first premium. So first premium would be like that. First premium equals to annual premium plus policy fee. What is in it? What is it? 10,400 rupees plus 500 rupees. What will be the answer? 004 plus 5, 9. 10,900 rupees answer. I hope it's clear. Alright. Very simple, very easy. Always remember that in such questions, don't be afraid. Just look at the question. They have given you 2 percentages on the actual amount. Just find out these percentages, and then by adding or subtracting these percentages, you will get the required answer. It's a very golden tip that I am giving you. I hope it's clear.